In this video, we are going to learn pencil calligraphy. I use this Staedtler pencil. So let's learn calligraphy with pencil. In that, first of all, you should practice downstrokes and upstrokes. The downstroke will be heavy and thicker. Upstroke will be lighter and thinner. So just see and then you just practice. Downstrokes, heavy and thick. Upstrokes, light and thin. Downstroke, up to down. With pressure, you should do thick. With pressure, you should come up to down, will be thicker strokes. Practice 20 to 30 times, so you'll get easily. Upstrokes, lighter and thin. Should be light and thin. Compared to this will be thin. After that, you should practice some other strokes. So I'm going to show you here. Downstroke, thick and thin. Then thick, go up with thin stroke, come down with thick stroke. Give enough pressure for thick stroke, very light pressure for thin stroke. After that, you need to practice oval. Start with this and with pressure thick stroke, go up with thin stroke. After that, we will practice this one. Then go up with thin stroke, thin, thin. These all the strokes you need to practice at least 20 to 30 टाइम. अगर आपने ये स्ट्रोक्स अच्छे से सीख लिया तो आपके लिए लोअर केस एंड अपर केस एकदम इजी हो जाएगा. सो प्लीज practice properly and wait for my second video. In this first video, just practice this much. Thank you.